Today I will just show you how to make the Margherita cookie with San Pellegrino dough, which I softened a bit and prepared yesterday. Same thickness. In the vast and expansive field of small circles, not too high, I now carefully take the water, just a little, slightly, and a tiny bit of sugar, just enough to make it moist. It seems that the crust is a bit bothersome and slightly troublesome. Now, I make the bag with parchment paper, put a bit of ready jam, cherry, or whatever you like, perhaps even a different fruit of your choice. Let's try to make it colorful for a greater effect. I make a dot. Now let's gently and carefully put it in the oven for approximately 20 minutes in a convection oven. Here, the masquerade cookies are ready with San Pellegrino dough on sweet blocks. They are fabulous and light.